This is an effort in color grading D-Log footage. I use DaVinci Resolve for most of my color grading, and this footage here started off in D-Log, and right now it's profile 1, as you're seeing, and it's facing towards the sun, although the sun is off to the left, but it's still kind of towards the sun. The colors here look realistic enough, at least to my eye, given what I was seeing at the time. But as I'm going to show you here, when I turn the camera back to the other direction, away from the sun, back to D-Log one more time, just so I can show you the difference. I'm going to go back to profile 1, facing away from the sun. And if you notice, it doesn't quite look as good. So I made a new profile for it called Profile 2. And this one looks a lot more realistic towards what I was actually seeing. What I'm getting at is you may need 2 different color profiles depending on which direction you're facing towards whatever light source you've got. Something to keep in mind.